what up, gangstas? It's currently 6:36 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, July 5th, and here is our graph for today. Oh my Lanta, she was a busy morning, wasn't she? Alrighty, I already did cover prior to 6 a.m. in my morning update, so if you didn't already, go ahead and go check that out. 6 a.m. on, we're in the thick of it as far as release energy goes, right? We have a pretty much green slate here, really dense in our crown, third eye, throat line, and heart line. It's easing up a little bit, but still very active release energy occurring in our solar and our sacral. We also have lots of integration going on, especially in that third eye. So our headspace might have been a little bit weird today, especially in the morning when we were trying to wake up. I might not have wanted to. We also have a Pisces moon. So it might have been a lazy day for us. It might have been really chill. Of course, until we got this new eye energy. If new eye energy stimulates the shit out of you like it does me, that coming in at 7:30, lasting for just about half an hour or so, right? That first spike doesn't last long. She only got like 2 C's in the thick, not thick. This one, we'll give it 3. All right, so we can see that this energy is still going on horizontally while this vertical energy is layering on top of it. Okay, pay attention to that, because these are going to be like our timelines almost, layering on top of each other. What happens once you put enough pressure and layer enough energy or anything on top of something else? Eventually it will collapse, and that's how we collapse timelines. Whoop. Okay, so we get a little bit of breather. We see that this is still going on in between, still focusing on releasing from every which way possible. And then we have here around 9-ish a.m., where that 20 is, we start getting more new way energy. That's where the 3 C's come in. Thick. She a thickin'. Anyways, this is going on in our crown, third eye, throat line, heart line. After the heart line, with both of these surges of new way energy, it kind of goes into integration and then of course release, because we're pushing out what no longer serves us. Our current energy that is not needed, the new white stuff that is serving us, that is serving a purpose, it's saying skedaddle. And so it's like, bye. And then some of it's also merging together, because some of it is still useful. We do not have to get rid of all of it. That's why we see integration energy. Okay, after that, around 10:30, almost 11 a.m., that shuts down, it cuts off, and then we go back into mostly release energy again. Here, we have that, which is going on between 12 and 1 p.m. again in my Eastern time zone. Then we see this fun pattern. This and this making my ears go wonky. I don't want to say that they hurt. I don't want to say that they tickle. It's kind of like a crossbreed, a little mix. I'm not quite sure how to describe it. It's kind of like a pressure and a tickle or a tingle or something. I don't know. Something's going on with my ears, mostly on my right side, but it is hitting both sides, and it's going a little bit into my upper jaw. Nothing extreme, nothing significant, but I definitely feel it, you know? It's still going on, especially now that we're receiving integration energy again in that third eye. Remember, third eye is this area, so it's going to be our eyes, our sinuses, our nose, our ears, our upper jaw, our head. If we're having like headaches and stuff, a lot of times it's when we see a lot of crown and third eye activity. We're also starting to see integration on the throat line again, which usually shows up for me with a little bit of raspiness or a little tickle in the throat. Anyways, this started picking up again, if you can't see here, at 5 p.m. Eastern time, because that's where I am. Alrighty, guys, I'll talk to you maybe tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. Usually I take Mondays for me, but you know, you can bet money on seeing my mug if something extreme happens. So we'll see what the day brings, and I'll chat with you soon.